Welcome to the second part of the RumbleDeck installation video. This time I'm going to show you how to install the RumbleSticks, so the caps with the integrated motors that come with the development kit for the Steam Deck Rumble mod. So those consist of a 3D printed joystick head with an integrated eccentric rotary mass motor. On the right side you see the orange wire. This is for the capacitive touch, and on the left you see the wires for the motor connection. In my case I already soldered it to the joystick PCB. You can do this of course if you want capacitive touch, and if not you can just cut it off. Make sure to assemble it as seen in this video, or similar like the original caps. The orange wire is turned around the joystick once and then assembled together, and the motor wire will also go a half rotation to form kind of a spring to buffer the motion, else it can get loose. So now we can assemble it into our deck. Of course I have a very dirty deck, bad for a video, but it will do. Assemble it like any other joystick. With the motor wire it needs to follow the orange wire for the capacitive touch, so it needs to run along between the screws and the joystick up to the flex cable. Now we attach the flex cable. Motor wire may stick out after the screw, between the screw and the battery. So it runs inside between joystick and screw, but that's where it sticks out. Then it will kind of fold back and attach to the Rumble PCB. Now we attach the motor connector to the Rumble PCB and use the strips of tape to fix the motor wire. It should not get loose, but it looks more tidy this way. And you make sure that it does not get stuck while you move your joystick. And that's basically it. Make it nice and tidy, and we're done.